to Rosy Reviews, a part of the Adventures with Rosy channel where we review all things motorhome, caravan, RV, camping related, all products and services. Today we're looking at a pretty cool product called Dumpmate by a New Zealand company. Let's take a look. Now I'm a huge fan of RV gadgets and gizmos and accessories, and I love it when you come across an innovation like the Dumpmate and you just think, that's so simple but just so perfect. Basically the sole job of this tube right here is to make emptying the cassette from your cassette toilet easier. No mess, and also to take the strain off your back. And so basically what you do is you insert the smaller end of the tube there into the drain at your dump station. You open the spout of your cassette and you rest it on the lip here and you pour it in like you normally would. But the spout will actually take the weight of the cassette. They can get quite heavy when they're full, so that's quite handy. And also it keeps the drain in the dump station clean. You don't get any splashback, you're not spilling on the concrete, rogue bits of toilet paper. You're keeping it nice and tidy for the next person, which is important. Then all you do is run the hose through the Dumpmate, wash it out, chuck it back in the waterproof bag, stow it away with your hoses. So really cool idea, neat concept. Cool to see a small company in New Zealand, husband and wife team, producing such a great product. Now I suppose you might say, is this just another accessory I have to carry around in the caravan or the motorhome? And if you're anything like us, we've got a whole big boot in the caravan that's full of stuff. Camping chairs, you name it. We've got a whole lot of stuff in there. Some stuff I've never taken out since we've put it in there. But I've always got room for things that I think sort of improve or kind of make the RV life easier. This is definitely one of those products. I've used it a couple of times now, really enjoyed it. I like the no mess factor, and it comes in its own little bag, so pretty happy to chuck that in the locker down below, and it's not taking up any space really or adding any weight. I'll leave all their links to Dumpmate. They've got a video of how to use it. They've got a Facebook page as well and a website, so I'll leave all that information below. And yeah, if you have any questions at all, fire them away, and we'll see you in the next review.